Hi, I'm Tom for Altman Plants. Yesterday it was about 103 degrees here and humid, and it's going to be like that today. And yet, I'm freezing to death. I, I can't believe it because this guy is called Aloe Blizzard. I mean, look at this frosty, snowy, cold, beautiful white leaves. I mean, how unusual can you get? This is a very small dwarf aloe, and then it's going to surprise you even more because against these snow colors is going to come a little slender flower stem with bright orange red flowers. It's almost like the Christmas ornaments on your frosty cold. So this is a great windowsill plant. This is a great little small plant in containers for your tabletop. Just don't let it get freezing cold because when it really is freezing cold, it can't hack it. Tom for Altman Plants.